Hi everyone, hope you are all staying healthy and safe. If this video helps you to create and use macro, please give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more of similar videos, please hit the subscribe button. So why do we need macros? Macros helps us to automate repetitive tasks and helps us to improve efficiency. Creating macros in Excel for Windows operating system and for Excel in Mac operating system is very similar. In Excel for Windows operating system, you might need to add a developer tab. To add a developer tab, you'll need to click on File, then click on Options, and then click on Customize Ribbon, and click on or check mark Developer tab. After adding the developer tab, you'll find macros button on developer tab. I'll write this down on a description below as well. So let's get started to creating and using macros in Excel for Mac. So here I have a workbook with two worksheets, Department 1 and Department 2. So in order to create macro, I'll go to View tab where you have a button that says Record Macro. So I'll go ahead and click on Record Macro, and I'll put the name as monthly underscore report, and I'll go ahead and click on OK. So there's a stop sign over here, and if you hover over it, it says a macro is currently recording. Click stop to recording. So currently the macro is being recorded, so all the clicks I make, it will be recording. So what I'll start with is make this top row a bigger font size. I'll put 15, and then I'll go ahead and highlight the background, and I'll put the letters as white, and I'll go ahead and adjust this column to include all the letters. For the salary part, I'll change the general numbers to accounting numbers with $sign, and what I'll do is I will enclose this in a table with all borders. I'll go ahead and put thick box border for the top row and for the whole box as well. I'll also go ahead and take out average for years of service as well as salary. For that, I'll go to formulas and click on average, enter. Similarly for salary, I'll go to formulas to do the average, enter. So I have the averages too, and I'll go ahead and stop the macro. So basically, you'll be able to view macro with this view macros button. Also, you could view the macro right here at the bottom left corner by clicking here, or record macro by clicking at the bottom left, a macro sign. And to use macro, I'll go ahead and go to different worksheet, and I'll view macros and run this monthly report macro on this sheet, and here you go. Everything that we did for Department 1 is done on Department 2 worksheet as well. So if you like this video, again, please give it a thumbs up, and also please support my channel by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.